Hello kids, welcome back to English online class. After long gap, hope you all are doing well. For 1 week you will get recorded video. After that live online class will start. My name is Beena Gupta and I am going to take your English. English English is a language. What is English? It is a language and many varieties are there in English, and we Indians follow the British English. So English is a language. It is a language. What do you understand by language? What do you understand by language? Language is a medium of communication through which we express our thoughts, ideas, feeling and emotions. Language is mainly composed of letters, which stands for sign and symbol. And these symbols, they are known as alphabets. The alphabets in English language is mainly composed of how many letters? How many letters are there in English alphabets? There are 26 letters. You all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. 26 letters. And they are known as printed capital letter, printed small letter. So you all know how to write small letter and capital letter. I'll write once, just see it. Capital letters. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And this is capital letter. Small letters. Small letter place is less, so I'll try to adjust over here only. Small letters. You know, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nowadays for Z, some people they'll say G also. Now, these are different letters of English alphabet, and each letters have different sound. This is A. A sound is A. What is the sound of A? A. So we'll say A for apple. Now I'll tell you sounds of these letters. This is capital letter and this is small letter. So they have some sounds and it is known as phonics. Now phonics is very important. Why it is important? Because if you don't know phonics, you can't read anything. If you know the sound of each and every letter, then only reading is possible. So let us learn the sound of this letter. You have to repeat after me, okay? Now this is A. A says A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for arrow. A says A. B says B. B says B. Boy, ball, bat. So A says A. B says B. C says K. Cat, kettle. This is D. D sound is D. Dog, doll. This is E. What is the sound of E? A. Egg. Elephant. The sound of E is A. What is this? F. F sound is fish, as in fish. This sound is there. Flower, frog. So F sound is f. What is this? G. G sound is G. Grapes, gate. What is this? H. H. What is the sound of H? H says ha. Hen, horse. I. I says E. Import, as in import. J. J says ja. Jug, joker. K. K says ka. Kite. This is L. L sound is L. Lion, lamp. All these are having this sound. L. This is M. M sound is M. Mango, monkey, like that. What is this? N. N says nose. Then nest. This is O. O sound is, what does O? O says O. Orange, onion, owl. What is this? P. P says P, as in parrot, peacock. What is the sound of Q? Q sound is Q. Queen, quill. What is this? R. What is the sound of R? R. Rose, rat, rabbit. This is S. This letter is capital S. What is the sound of capital S? The capital is the same sound. What is the sound of S? Snake. Then sun. Then next is T. What is the sound of T? T. Train, toy. This is U. U sound is A. Umbrella, uniform. This is V. V sound is W. Van. This is W. W says watch, as in watch. This is X. X says X-ray, Xerox, xylophone. What is this? This is Y. Y sound is yellow, like that. Yak. This is Z or G. That is zebra, zero. So these all letters they have different sound. And how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. So now we have learned the sound of each letters. Now you have to again repeat with me. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says I, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says K, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says W, W says W, X says S, Y says Y, Z says J. So these are the sounds of different letters. Now, see children, I'll wrap this one. Now tell me how many letters are there? There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Now, just now we have learned phonics. So you have learned before also phonics. Now I am writing something on the board and you have to see what I have written. What is this word? This is not a word. But if I ask you to read this, how will you read? You know the sound of each and every letters. You know the sound of each and every letter. So you will read BAC, bat, top, mat. How I am reading this? Because I have the knowledge of phonics. With phonics only I am able to read this one. This is not a word. This is not a word. But I am able to read because I know the sound of each letter. So that is why phonics is very important. So you should know phonics. Now, alphabets. The alphabets in English language has been divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. So I will write vowels. What is vowels? What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. This is vowels. And all words are made up of these vowels because we can't read any letter without vowel. Some letters are, some words are there which we can read. In that there is no vowels, like try. Here no vowel is there, but we can read still. But these vowels are very much necessary because without vowel you can't make a word. You can't read. So in English alphabet there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining letters are consonants. And the remaining letters are consonants. No, so tell me, what are consonants? Now, consonants. I write the consonant. I told you in English alphabet there are 26 letters. In that 26 letter, 5 are vowels. These are vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining are consonants. So consonants means B. I write capital B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how many consonants are there? 21. And how many vowels are there? It is 5. There are 5 vowels. Okay. So these letters, many letters, they join together and they form the words. They form the word. So these are the consonants and these are the vowels. So children, now what you have learned today? Today we have learned about English language. In English, how many alphabets are there? How many letters are there in English alphabets? There are 26 letters, and each letter have their own sound. We have read about the sounds. So I want to repeat the sound with me. I want you to repeat the sound with me. A says A, B says ba, C says ka, D says da, E says a, F says G says ga, H says ha, I says e, J says ja, K says ka, L says l, M says N says n, O says a, P says pa, Q says qua, R says l, S says s, T says ta, U says a, V says va, W also the sound is va, X says s, Y says ya, and Z says z. So these are the different sounds of English letters. and we have small letters and capital letters. Now I want you to write cursive capital letter and cursive small letter. I'll show you on the blackboard. Cursive capital letter. You know all this because we have learned. It is just I am revising. I am doing bridge course, so I am revising from the beginning. Okay. Cursive capital letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are cursive capital letters. What are these? These are cursive capital letter. Now I write cursive small letters. If you want, you can copy down in your notebook. I'll give you 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes, 2-3 minutes. Now I write cursive small letters. Cursive small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are cursive small letters. So children, today what we have learned? We have learned about English language. What is that? It is a means of communication, and it is composed of signs and symbols, which we call letters. And in English alphabets, there are 26 alphabets, and they are known as printed capital letter and printed small letter. So this English alphabet, it is divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are vowels, and rest of the letters are consonants. And after that we have learned cursive letters also, cursive capital letter and cursive small letter. You write cursive capital letter and cursive small letter in your homework book. That is today's homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.